Hi, I hope we're all staying happy and healthy. Today we're going to do a quick do-it-yourself project at home recommended for children ages 5 and up. I found this project on autismspeaks.org, so it's a great project as well for any children at home who have special needs. All you need to do this project are a water bottle or any sort of empty clear bottle, warm water, this is about 1.5 cups of warm water, clear hand soap, and then any fun items. So here I have glitter, some glittery looking rocks, some butterfly beads of some sort, and then little Legos and gold bells. I also recommend, if you have it, especially if you're using glitter, any really tiny items like these rocks, if you have a funnel, that'll help make sure that you don't make a mess. And lastly, hot glue to secure the bottle when you're done. So first we'll just take the bottle. We'll fill it with warm water about 2/3 of the way. So it should be a little over 1.5 cups probably. That would depend really on the size of your bottle. And then you want to fill the rest of it up with soap, but not all the way to the top, keeping in mind you're going to add some of those fun items, which is going to bring the level up. So I'm just using the top line on this bottle as my guide. We'll start with the biggest items first, so some of these Legos. Some butterflies. And some bells, which will certainly make no noise once they're in here. And then we'll do the little stuff. So I'm going to use this funnel for these little bead rocks. And just a little glitter. Once you've added everything you want to add into the bottle, you're just going to want to seal it up. And before you seal it up, just make sure that you've done a good job of screwing it shut. So I would just turn it upside down, maybe squeeze it a little bit, make sure no water's coming out. And if not, then you should be good to go. Just go ahead and cover the lines here. You don't really need to cover the whole cap. I'd say maybe the bottom half of the cap should be sufficient. Again, this is recommended for kids ages 5 and up, and even kids older than 5. You probably don't want to leave them alone with this too long, because while it is now sealed with the glue, where there's a will, there's a way, and they will almost certainly find a way to open this. So this will take a few minutes for the cap to completely dry, but in the meantime, you can definitely just see here that we have a good little sensory bottle. Again, great for kids and also those children who have special needs, and frequently called a sensory bottle. For additional resources, you can check the link below, and you can see additional information from the CDC as well as Autism Speaks on how to work with your children through these times. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and healthy, and we'll see you soon.